Morphle, morph into an excavator.
The yearly water balloon beach castle competition is about to start. Kids against parents. Start building your sandcastles now. The castles are done. Now get out your water balloons. Our castle is great. We are going to win.
Yeah, they're just little kids.
That was amazing! The kids win this award. Haha, congratulations, kids. You won fair and square.
Let's play in the castle some more. Can I hold the award now, Morphle?
Look, Pirate Phil, it's a treasure.
So?
So, we are pirates, Pirate Phil. And what do pirates love? That's right, treasures.
But they have a giant sandcastle, Pirate Maurice.
Yes, but we have a water balloon cannon.
Let's get them, guys! Balloons, Morphle. Dig a hole for me to sneak out. If you keep fixing the castle, I'll go get the water balloons. Daddy, we need more water balloons. The pirates won our award.
We don't have any more water balloons.
But we can fill up these with water.
Yeah, or this.
treasure is almost ours! Huh? Pirate Phil! Fire the water cannon!
I'm the strongest superhero. I can easily lift up this car. Morphle, let's help him out. I'm a superhero too, and I can fly. Whee! Woo-hoo!
Help! Help! Barky only wants to play. He won't bite. Get that thing out of here!
Leave that woman alone, mister.
Whatever. Thank you very much, superheroes. Who can I thank for this? What are your names?
We can't tell you. We are the masked superheroes, and we have secret identities.
Give back those awards!
But I never got any awards in high school.
Yeah! Now I am officially the #1 ballet dancer!
Okay. Here are the awards back.
No. You can keep that one.
It says... Best at getting caught.
We are champions, Stein! Yeah!
We are standing here with the people that saved all the city's awards. We have one question for you. Who are you?
We can't tell you. We are the masked superheroes, and we have secret... I'm Troy. I'm April. Morphle. Oh. Morphle, morph into a toy car.
Oh no, a flat tire.
Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the Glue Bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you needed to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman! Look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle! They're going over the bridge! Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, Glue Bandits.
We are no longer the Glue Bandits. We are now the Chain of Office Bandits.
Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What?
In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The Chain of Office Bandits will strike again.
Oh, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain. Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.
Look, Mila and Morphle. This is my latest invention.
Whoa!
Everything that I zap with it becomes very big or very small.
Wow!
Tumbling test tubes. It's gone. We are now the Building Bandits.
After them, Morphle.
Oh no! It's Morphle! Take that!
What? My house!
Yeah! Let's take the police station! You there! Stop! You bandits! Just wait till I'm done with you!
You won't get away with this, you no good for nothing ragged frets. I'm coming to them.
This will slow them down!
Jitterbug, that's enough. Catch, boy.
Let's go, Morphle. I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a house. Here they come.
We've got another one! Hi there!
Well done, Morphle. Now let's give everyone their house back.
Amazing, Mila and Morphle. Thanks to you, everything is back to normal.
You there, stop. Stealing cheese, huh? Not in my city.
Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city.
Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city.
You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. Enough, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle. The robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house! Morphle, morph into a robot!
The Wrecking Bandits will strike again!
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together. a scary pirate. Give me all your treasure.
I'm a big dinosaur. I'm not scared of pirates.
Wow, you guys have great costumes. Ooh, what is your costume, Mila? I have a magic t-shirt. It's Morphle.
Wow!
Morphle, let's fly! Morphle, lift up the dress-up box.
Wow!
Morphle, morph extra arms.
Oh no! Two bandits were just here. They stole all my clothes.
Don't worry, Daddy. We have more than enough clothes in our dress-up box. Now, let's see. How should we dress up Daddy? You look beautiful, Daddy. Huh? Oh no! It's the chain of office bandits! Now they're stealing the police officers' clothes!
We're no longer the chain of office bandits. Now we're the fashion bandits. We will steal all of the city's clothes. Beware.
Costume! You're right! We should give the police officer a costume too! Here, Mr. Police Officer.
Excellent. Now after the fashion bandits. We must stop them from stealing all the clothes.
After them, Morphle!
You can't stop us. Soon no one will have any clothes left.
Oh no! The helicopter is falling! Morphle, use your strong arms to catch it.
Where are they? I'll catch them this time.
Here you go, Mr. Mayor. We have a costume for you, too.
Thank you, Mila. Now you have to stop those bandits. The city needs you.
There's one. I'll catch him.
It's up to us, Morphle. Use your wings. It's no use. They are too fast. Too fast! But we can't give up. The city is counting on us. Huh?
You are no match for the fashion bandits. And now, we have your little red friend.
Silly bandits! Morphle, use your strong arms. Morphle, use your wings. Now, let's get back to the others.
Thank you.
Well done, Mila and Morphle. You caught the bandits, and now everyone can get back their clothes. The mayor should give you a medal. Now, where is that mayor?
Morphle, morph into a real train. Let's go pick up Sarah in our train. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? Hi, Mila and Morphle. I was going to bring something very valuable to my uncle. That's cool! We could use Morphle the train to take you there. Yeah, that's a great idea. This map tells us where we can find a hidden treasure. It should be right here. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Morphle! Yay! Look, Morphle! Dolphins! And there's a whale! Those are jellyfish. Watch out, Morphle! Jellyfish sting! That's Neptune, the king of the sea. Now where is that treasure? We found it, Morphle! Yippee!
We'll take that.
Oh no!
Thank you for finding us this treasure.
Go after them, Morphle! Oh no! Uh-oh! It's a little mermaid. Yay!
What's going on here?
Whoa!
There you are.
Sorry, lad. No hard feelings, aye?